How to create a coffee cup with sleeves. Use rectangle tool. Create 2 rectangles. Use selection tool. Select all. Go to Align panel. Click Horizontal Align Center. Click Free Transform tool. Use Perspective Distort. Drag an object's corner handle to change shape like this. Use Direct Selection tool. Hold the Shift key. Select these 2 anchor points. Change the corner's number to 1.5 centimeters. Select this shape. Change the corner's number to 1 centimeters. Use Rounded Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle here. Use Selection tool. Go to Align panel. Click Horizontal Align Center. Use Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle here. Use Selection tool. Adjust the size. Like this. Use Direct Selection tool. Hold the Shift key. Select these 2 anchor points. Change the corner's number to 0.5 centimeters. Use Selection tool. Select all. Change the fill color to none. Click Stroke Layer. Change color to brown. Go to the Stroke panel. Change the weight to 8 points. Press Command C then Command F. Press Command to lock the object. Select this shape. Select the fill color. Swap fill and stroke. Go to the Swatches panel. Change color to beige. Select this shape. Change the color to 60% gray. Select this shape. Change color to 50% gray. Hold the Shift key. Select these 2 shapes. Change the stroke color to none. Select this shape. Swap fill and stroke. Change color to white. Select all these objects. Hold the Option key, duplicate and put here. Use Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle here. Use Selection tool. Adjust the size. Use Direct Selection tool. Adjust the anchor point position, like this. Swap fill and stroke. Use Selection tool. Select all these objects. Go to Pathfinder panel and click Divide. Right-click then select Ungroup. Select and delete these objects. Select these 2 objects. Go to Pathfinder panel and click Unite. Select all these objects. Move here. Select this shape. Go to the Swatches panel. Change color to 20% gray. Select this shape. Change color to deep brown. Select this shape. Change this gray to 30%. Select this shape. Change color to 70% gray. Select this shape. Change color to 60% gray. Select this shape. Use Direct Selection tool. Click this anchor point. Adjust the shape like this. Alright. Go to Object, click Unlock All. Bring all the brown stroke to front. Use Selection tool. Select these objects. Bring to front. Use Ellipse tool. Create an oval. Swap fill and stroke. Change the other brown color. Use Selection tool. Adjust the size. Use paintbrush tool. Draw a line like this. Use selection tool. Select this stroke. Click stroke layer. Change color to deep brown. Go to brushes panel. Change the brush to basic. Go to the stroke panel. Change the stroke profile style. Change the weight to 6 points. Select the oval. Hold the option key, duplicate and put here. Duplicate one more. Use rotate tool. Click this anchor point. Rotate the angle, like this. Use selection tool. Adjust the size and position, like this. Select these two ovals. Use shape builder tool. Hold the option key, delete these areas. Use selection tool. Move this object to here. Go to the swatches panel. Change the other brown color. Select this shape. Press Command C then Command F. Swap fill and stroke. Click stroke layer. Change color to deep brown. Go to the stroke panel. Change the weight to 5 points. Bring all the brown stroke to front. Select this shape. Adjust the position. And this stroke. Alright. Select all these objects. Press Command G, group it all. Hold the option key, duplicate it. Select this group. Rotate the angle. Adjust and rotate the position. Alright. Select these two objects. Press Command G, group it all. Go to Align panel, click Horizontal Align Center. Move downward. OK. Use Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle here. Swap fill and stroke. Use Direct Selection tool. Drag the anchor point to the center. Use Selection tool. Click this fill layer. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to beige. Rotate the angle. Adjust the position. Send to back. Select this shape. Use Direct Selection tool. Click this anchor point. Adjust the shape like this. Alright. Use selection tool. Select all these objects. Adjust the size. Adjust this one position. Use pen tool. Draw a line like this. Press the Enter key. Finish the end point. Swap fill and stroke. Use Direct Selection tool. Select these anchor points. Drag the anchor point to the center. Select these anchor points. Drag the anchor point to the center. Select these anchor points. Change the corners number to 4.5 millimeters. Use eyedropper tool. Click this stroke. Go to the stroke panel. Click round cap and round join. Use pen tool. Draw a line here. And here. Alright. Use rectangle tool. Create a rectangle here. Swap fill and stroke. Go to Align panel, click Horizontal Align Center. Hold Command key. Drag the anchor point to the center. Use Ellipse tool to make a perfect circle. Send to back. Go to the swatches panel. Change the other color. Use selection tool. Click Horizontal Align Center. Click Vertical Align Center. Select all. Hold the Shift key. Select the circle. Adjust the size smaller. Adjust this one position. Alright. Use rectangle tool. Create a square. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to light blue. Send to back. Select the circle. Go to color panel. Adjust the color. Alright. Now we finished our coffee cup with sleeves. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.